So guys, if you've not subscribed and you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share before we go. So we'll be taking a look at our pound USD. We are also going to look at our USD index, which correlates to all our USD peers, and we will be looking at our pound index to correlate to our pound peers. So with that, we'll be able to confirm once we look at our pound USD, then we'll be able to confirm it with our index. So starting with our daily time frame, we can see on our daily time frame full trend, downward trend. We're actually on a bearish move on our pound USD, and guess what, we started ranging within this area where our price pull back and it's pull back, it drop, and we had this double top here. So if you were actually following, you would have seen how we predicted all this move. So along the line, when our price was actually ranging here, we took here as our resistance level and now here as our support level, right? And now our price has rallied down to our support level and it has broke below it, right? Our price actually rallied down. We can take it as impulse move downward, a correction, and impulse move downward. Guess what, once and it broke below our support level, we now had a pullback here, a correction. What are we expecting next on our pound USD is an impulse move downward again. Breakdown, we are actually going to be having a massive drop. We can see on the 24th we opened and closed bearish. Now 25th we very much open and close bearish again. So pound USD, as we are looking at it like this, it is actually a bearish move and we would want to see it open and close bearish. Now let's take a look at it on our for our time frame. We can see it still impulse move downward, a correction, and impulse move downward. Now let's quickly look at our USD index, starting with our daily time frame. This was an impulse move upward, a correction, an impulse move, a correction. What are we expecting after this correction is an impulse move again. Now notice one thing, this is our eyes here, our liquidity area here, where we had this large wick, right? We will very much likely see our price rally up to that area again, which will be around 1.21, 1.217, exactly what we're very much likely to see on our US index. So once our US index is actually giving us that bullish move or is rallying up there, then our pound to our USD, which will be on our daily time frame, will actually rally downward. So once our USD index starts rallying up to take out this our liquidity area, our USD index to take out our liquidity area, then our pound to our USD will actually drop. And now let's confirm it on our pound index. Now starting with our daily time frame on our pound index, full trend downward, you can also see it, a bearish move, by the way. So let's start it from here. This was an impulse move downward. We take it as our correction, our impulse move, and here our correction on our pound index, by the way. Now an impulse move downward. We are getting here as a little bit of a correction, a pullback, no much, because we can see this was our previous lower lows here, right? So our price has actually given us a correction here. What are we expecting next? A drop again on our pound index. We can see it here on the 24th. We opened and closed bearish. 25th, we've actually closed it, trying to open, we've opened bearish and we very much close bearish. So pound index is actually showing us a bearish move, which means it will try to open and close bearish, and again our USD index showing to open and going to go bullish, which means it will open and close bullish. So that is a confirmation on our pound USD that we will be actually be dropping and possibly open and close bearish on our pound USD.